The way stocks dropped on Tuesday is causing some to wonder about the status of the U.S. economy.
A local economist breaks down what this drop means for American families. Chelsea Swift reports.
The Dow Jones fell around 500 points earlier this week. A local economist describes the Dow as an overall gauge of the major stocks of some of the biggest industrial companies in America. He explains what happens when the Dow falls.
People who invest in these big companies are feeling less certain about the future profitability, so many people are selling off these stocks, which if nobody wants to keep those stocks, that's what depresses the prices, causing that plummet.
Louis says there are broader measures like the S&P 500 that look at a variety of U.S. companies. He says the inflation report released by the U.S. government Tuesday shows inflation is above the target level. He says indicators like the Dow can reflect uncertainty. He says some fear of the economy is slowing down. He believes Americans should remain optimistic.
The national economy is performing quite well, and even locally, the Erie economy has been quite resilient. We created over 1,000 jobs over this last year. The unemployment rate is at an historic low.
Louis says there are other factors that contribute to pessimism about the economy.
In the past few months, since the end of last year, gasoline prices have inched back up again. And so when people fill up their gas tanks, they see that impact on their pocketbook.
However, on average, gasoline prices are actually about 30 cents less a gallon compared to last year. Some residents say they're still feeling the strain.
It's tough when you got to pay more money for gas, especially when it jumps up 40 cents a gallon, and then some people who travel a lot, it starts compounding, and so you're spending money on gasoline rather than doing other things.
Chelsea Swift, Jet 24, Action News.